A guide to choosing mild and strong-scented lotions. The fragrance of a lotion can enhance the overall experience of skincare, adding a touch of luxury and relaxation to your routine. Whether you prefer a subtle, mild scent or a bolder, strong aroma, choosing the right lotion fragrance is a personal decision. In this guide, we will explore the factors to consider when selecting a lotion with the perfect scent, considering individual preferences, occasions, and skincare needs. Understanding the basics. Before diving into the selection process, it's essential to understand the basic elements of fragrance. Fragrances are typically categorized into 3 notes: top, middle, and base notes. Top notes are the initial scents that are immediately noticeable, while middle notes emerge after the top notes have dissipated. Base notes are the foundation of the fragrance, providing depth and longevity. The composition of these notes determines the overall strength and character of the lotion's scent. Choosing a mild-scented lotion. 1. Fragrance. Sensitivity. If you have a sensitive nose or skin, opt for a lotion with a mild scent. Mild scents are typically light and delicate, making them less likely to trigger allergies or irritate sensitive skin. Look for lotions labeled as hypoallergenic or fragrance-free to minimize the risk of adverse reactions. 2. Natural and botanical scents. Mild scents are often associated with natural and botanical ingredients. Consider lotions infused with gentle fragrances such as lavender, chamomile, aloe vera, or oatmeal. These scents provide a soothing and calming experience, making them ideal for everyday use and before bedtime. 3. Subtle citrus and floral notes. If you prefer a hint of fragrance without overpowering your senses, opt for lotions with subtle citrus or floral notes. These scents, like bergamot, grapefruit, or rose, offer a refreshing and revitalizing experience, perfect for daytime use or warmer weather. Choosing a strong-scented lotion. 1. Personal preference. Choosing a strong-scented lotion is a matter of personal taste and style. If you enjoy bold and distinct fragrances that make a statement, opt for lotions with stronger notes and longer-lasting scents. These lotions create a noticeable aromatic presence and can be used as signature scents. 2. Oriental and spicy scents. Strong-scented lotions often feature oriental and spicy fragrances that exude warmth and depth. Look for ingredients like vanilla, sandalwood, patchouli, or cinnamon. These scents are perfect for special occasions or during the colder months when you want to envelop yourself in a comforting aroma. 3. Fruity and gourmand scents. Lotions with strong fruity or gourmand scents offer a vibrant and indulgent experience. Think of notes like raspberry, coconut, chocolate, or caramel. These lotions are ideal for those who enjoy playful and delicious fragrances that evoke a sense of joy and sweetness. Considerations for all scents. 1. Skin type. Regardless of the intensity of the scent, always consider your skin type. If you have dry or sensitive skin, opt for lotions with moisturizing and nourishing ingredients to ensure they don't exacerbate any skin concerns. 2. Occasions and seasons. Tailor your lotion fragrance choices to the occasion and season. Light and mild scents are suitable for everyday wear and warmer weather, while stronger scents can make a statement for special events or during cooler seasons. 3. Layering and compatibility. If you enjoy layering scents, choose a lotion that complements your perfume or cologne. Consider lotions from the same fragrance family or with similar notes to ensure harmony between the products. Layering scents can enhance the overall fragrance experience and make it more long-lasting. 4. Testing use. Before committing to a lotion with a specific scent, it's a good idea to test the product with real use. This allows you to experience the scent on your skin and determine how it evolves over time. 5. Quality and standard. Choose lotions from reputable brands known for their high-quality ingredients and formulations. Research customer reviews and feedback to gauge the longevity and authenticity of the scents offered by different brands. Conclusion. Choosing between a mild-scented or strong-scented lotion is a personal decision that should take into account your preferences, skin type, occasions, and desired effects. Whether you opt for a subtle and delicate fragrance or a bold and captivating aroma, selecting the right lotion scent can elevate your skincare routine and provide a sensory experience that resonates with your unique tastes. Take the time to explore different fragrances, consider the occasion, and enjoy the journey of finding the perfect lotion that complements your individual style and skincare needs. Lotions of Siamlee Cosmetics are categorized by scent: mild scented lotion, 1, Gluta C and E Lotion High Series, 2, Neon Gluta C and E Lotion High Series, 3, Neon Power Gluta C and E Lotion, 4, Lab White Tomato Lotion, 5, Lee Egyptian Gold Maxi Plus Lotion. Strong scented lotion: 1, Lab White Egg Yolk Lotion, 2, Lee Papaya Kojic Lotion Premium White, 3, Neon Bleaching Mineral Lotion High Series, 4, Neon Bleaching Black Lotion. With love, Siamlee Cosmetics Company Limited.